what we did on this field trip was we started from the Delta and ended up at Mount Baker. Then we stopped at multiple points along the Nooksack River. And then we ultimately got to see how the snow melt leads right into the bay.
We were able to see how everything is connected and how everything affects each other thing, and how our actions actually affect how the ice is melting, and how it's just going to affect everything down the line, and how we need to change our ways of doing things.
The Restore is, we're helping to transform the building industry with an emphasis on reuse and salvage and finding the value in the stuff that already exists. So instead of things just getting thrown away, we capture that, turn that into something that people can buy, and it's basically as if Home Depot and an antique store and an estate sale all got together and had a baby.
What we do is we essentially build a movement to oppose coal exports, and we just essentially go out and talk to people and ask them to oppose coal exports, and then they join us, and that's pretty much all it is.
Maintaining good air quality in the house and making it efficient, we're helping to keep the housing stock we have viable. Because if we have to rebuild a house, that's going to require more resources.
The equation to give you some idea of how much water you can collect. So in a 1-inch rain event on 1,000 square feet of roof area, and again this is about 6,000, you can collect 620 This system is used, we elevated it because you get more pressure. And so we have a hose here, which they don't have operating yet, but we did this plant installation. These are all native plants, drought tolerant plants. And so we connect the hose to it, and this is a drip irrigation system, which is about 90% efficient. It just really waters the plant, doesn't water the pavement, and it's and there's a timer that goes on there. We don't have it out here right now. But you can just turn it on for 15 minutes, and then it'll drip emit, and then the plants are watered. And we're using rainwater, so we're not using our drinking water for that.
What do you think draws people to the farmers market?
I think that it's an event. It's something for them to do during their day, and I think they're looking for sort of to get food for themselves for the week, and also to maybe have lunch or shop for crafts, for gifts for people, or for themselves.
Come to the farmers market.
Well, because it's here, and it's an event to come to, and it's supporting local agriculture, and I go here and wherever else there's good food to be had, and it's organic, yes.